The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another decorate with me video, and I'm working on my really big mantle that's in my family room. I hope this video inspires you, and I also want to say that you're gonna get tons of inspiration for tons of different types of decor, mantle decor, because this video is a challenge that I am co-hosting with Vesna TV and the Schwalman's Nest. So make sure you go check out these two ladies. Their channels are going to be linked in the description box, and also make sure you check out the playlist, which will be linked down below. And if you are participating in this challenge, make sure you link up your video to the creators playlist.
Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door.
And if you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, my name is Sonia. Welcome. I hope you enjoy my decorate with me. And if you do, make sure you press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my uploads. So the first thing that I do is I put up my garland, and I've had this garland for many years. I got it at Costco, and I just added some berries to it, and I will add a little bit more berries to it once I'm done setting it up and fluffing it up. I'm going with the same color theme for this room that I typically do every year, but I am changing things up as far as what goes up on this mantle.
It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening.
As I talked about it in my last decorate with me, when I was decorating my living room, fluffing up a mantle fluffing up a garland can take a ordinary garland to extraordinary. Just giving it a really good fluffing, lifting all the branches, spreading them out. It makes it look so much better than just putting it on and lifting a branch here and there. So take your time to fluff up your garlands. You won't be disappointed.
Christmas, I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more.
I'm also adding my wreath, and this was a DIY, and any DIY that I am using for this decorate with me, I will make sure I'll link it down in the description box so you can check it out.
That everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas.
So I'm going for a bit of a woodsy theme on top of the mantle, and I'm including a lot of these different type of trees that I have. Some are DIYs and some I have bought at Marshall's or through my florist. And I will also be adding my moose and my deer here to kind of incorporate that woodsy theme.
From this Christmas sun. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true. from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
To add more red, I am adding a couple different bunches of berries into the garland, and I'm also going to be adding a red candle over by the moose. So here it is. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down in a comment. Let me know your color theme and what you're doing for your mantle. I would love to know. And make sure you check out the playlist as well as Vesna's and Sandra's channels, which will all be linked down below. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.